Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn about the legislature. In India, the state legislature consists of the governor and one or two houses. The upper house is called as Legislative Council, while the lower house is called as Legislative Assembly. The upper house is called as Legislative Council and lower house is called as Legislative Assembly. Now we have to learn about Legislative Council. The Constitution provides that the total strength of the Legislative Council must not be less than 40 and more than one-third of the total strength of Legislative Assembly of the state. 40 more than one-third of the total strength of the Legislative Assembly of the state. The member of the Legislative Council are elected indirectly. Legislative Council members are elected indirectly. The Legislative Council is a permanent house. One-third of the members retire every 2 years and the elections are held to fill the vacant seats. The members are elected for a term of 6 years. How many years? 6 years. To be the members of Legislative Council, one must be citizen of India and should have completed 30 years of age. He should be a citizen of India and he should be completed 30 years of age. Now we have to say about Legislative Assembly. The people who makes the law of the state government are called members of State Legislative Assembly. They are called MLAs. The MLAs are chosen from different constituencies. For the election of MLAs, the entire state is divided into different constituencies. The constituencies are called the legislative constituencies. One of the legislative constituency may have 1 lakh and even more people. One MLA is chosen from each legislative constituency to represent that legislative assembly. A person has to be at least 25 years of old to contest for election to the legislative assembly. One member can stand for election in more than one constituency at the same time. The members of the Legislative Assembly are elected directly by the people. The people are elected the MLAs. All the people residing in the areas a legislative constituency who are 18 years of age can cast a vote of legislative assembly election. Those who have completed 18 years of age vote in the legislative assembly election. According to the constitution, the legislative assembly cannot have more than 500 members and not less than 60 members. The members of the legislative assembly are elected for a term of 5 years. Now we have to learn about the state's council of ministers. The leader of the majority party in the election is chosen as chief minister. In Tamil Nadu, there are 234 legislative constituencies. How many constituencies? 234 legislative constituency. The party with more than 118 elected candidates are invited by the governor. Who invited? Governor only invited the elected candidates to form the government. The chief minister chooses his ministers from MLAs of his party. Now we have to learn about the judiciary of states. High courts. The High Court stands at the apex of the state judiciary. As per the constitutions, there shall be a High Court in each state, but there may be a common High Court of 2 or more states and union territories. The judge of a High Court must have the following qualification. First one is, he must be citizen of India. he must be citizen of India. He must have at least 10 years experience as head of the judicial office in the territory of India. Next one is he must have at least 10 years experience as an advocate in one or more high courts. The judge of a high court holds the office until he completes the age of 62 years. For the purpose of judicial administration, each state is divided into number of districts, each under the jurisdiction of a district judge. The district court judges were appointed by the governor. In the exercise of the above mentioned powers, the High Court enjoys full power and freedom to act with this jurisdiction. The constitutional safeguards have ensured its independent working. Now we have to recall the lesson. First one is the governor of a state is appointed by the president. The governor of the state is appointed by the president. Second one, the state council of ministers are headed by, the state council of ministers is headed by the chief minister. Next one is who can summon and prorogue the sessions of state legislature? The governor. Next one, who does not participate in the appointment of a high court judge? The chief minister. Next one is the age of retirement of the judge of the high court is 62 years. Next one is there are 29 states in India at present. Next one is the tenure of the governor is normally 5 years. The district judges are appointed by the governor. The district judges are appointed by the governor. The governor is the constitutional head of the state. Constitutional head of the state. Minimum age for the election of MLA is 25 years. Thank you, students.